think we're live. How do I even start this vlog? I don't even know. I am going to Colorado pretty much a week before E3. I'm spinning in my chair. Welcome to the next My Way to Play. We are bringing the Nintendo Switch to I can't even say Colorado. So I am super excited for E3. I have so much that I still need to do, and we're not coming back until 3 days before E3. I love road trips though, so let me know if you guys love road trips too, or if there's a road trip that was really memorable that you took with your family or friends. But I have 2 missions. One is to pass out 500 Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitations at E3 for all 3 days. The last mission is to give Doug Bowser his own custom amiibo. So who knows if I will actually complete the mission, because I haven't even finished the amiibo. It's like right here. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is the amiibo that I haven't finished, that needs to be finished before E3. Doug Bowser, you're looking a little weird there. Yeah, because he's not finished, and we're going on this trip to Colorado for 4 days. Really excited though, don't get me wrong. It's just that I have so many things to do prior to E3. The reason why we're going is actually for a very special occasion. My sister's husband is going to get stationed in South Korea. He wanted to do something with everyone, and that something was whitewater rafting. We might die. Usually people do a level 1 to 3, which is pretty moderate, and then 4 is like the guy can save everyone just in case if the boat topples over. 5 is he can't save everyone. This is gonna be interesting. Of course, you guys know with every My Way to Play, I love to bring the Nintendo Switch. So we'll be bringing the Nintendo Switch with us to Colorado. We will be playing it on the plane ride to and from. E3, man. E3 is literally around the corner, Christine, and I don't know why you're going on this trip. No, I'm going. I love to go. I want to go. It's just, guys, we only have like a couple of days before E3.
Flight attendants are going to come through the cabin just to secretly judge your travel attire. Just kidding. Folks, just sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Welcome aboard.
Hey, well, we landed.
We're in Denver, Colorado, and their airport looks so pretty.
We're at like the outside area in the grass.
Yeah, is this even an airport?
It usually looks nicer, but they're under reconstruction.
Yeah, usually the airport looks nice, but they're under reconstruction. They're making it bigger.
Oh,
What's
wow.
up?
It's a nice airport though.
Yeah, welcome to DIA.
Controversial airport
Why?
because it's supposed to
Supposedly, in blueprints, there's a bunch of tunnels underneath the airport. So we have a day in Denver, and then we are going to go kayaking tomorrow. Kayaking, whoops. Whitewater rafting. We're going whitewater rafting tomorrow. Hi! Hi, It's like, no. So yes, we are going to go whitewater rafting tomorrow, and we will try to get as much footage as possible. I don't know if we're going to be bringing this camera because I don't want it to get wet, which is a no-go. But right now we're walking Murray, so hopefully we see gophers, right? Can I film the gophers?
Prairie dog.
Or it's a prairie dog? I'm getting all the animals wrong.
Yeah, everything wrong.
I'm getting everything wrong. Okay, enjoy the walk. dorks.
What's up?
Good.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Good. Good. Hi. Hi. We're going for biscuits and gravy, and then tomorrow we're going kayaking.
Yes,
kayaking.
yes. Oh, yes, tomorrow kayaking.
Tomorrow we're going whitewater rafting.
Rafting.
Yes, tomorrow.
Rafting, not
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, not
so great.
today.
Be an airplane hangar, and there's a bunch of containers and stuff, but there's different restaurants and stores.
Oh, that's nice.
Stanley Marketplace, is that where we're going? Yes. So excited, Stanley Marketplace. We've never been here before.
Well, I have.
Well, I have. I have never been here before. I've never been in Colorado, period. But Stanley Marketplace, and then downtown Denver, and then we are gonna go kayaking. Geez, we're gonna go whitewater rafting tomorrow. It's gloomy today, but it's good because that means the water level will be high tomorrow. That's how that works. Where did we come from? Stanley Marketplace?
It's be like a
airport hangar.
plane thing.
Now we're downtown Denver and we're gonna look around and shop a little bit, and then tomorrow we have whitewater rafting. And we kind of ate like really good biscuits too, which I hope you guys enjoyed that slow-mo of the amazing glossy maple going down the biscuits. It was so good. And just look around and stuff. Nothing too crazy, but all the action will definitely be tomorrow. So excited. Yeah, I love going downtown in big cities because it's so cool to see like the skyscrapers and stuff. And yes. Clean too. That's such a clean look. Yeah, and you see the back? Whoa, dang. That's nice. Oh my god. You know, but if anyone could pull it off, it's Christian.
It's a confidence thing.
Yay! So we just got out of Uniqlo and everyone got shirts and they all changed into their shirts, which is pretty awesome. I'm just excited for tomorrow's whitewater rafting. I think it's gonna be really fun and I can't wait to show you guys all the footage. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Look at you, all decked out in Uniqlo. Yeah, look at that. Look at Chuck. Look at Chuck. Doesn't he look so good?
So Japanese.
Get ready for tomorrow because it's going to be a crazy day. Crazy! So don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below where we should travel to next. And let me know what you guys are playing on your Nintendo Switch too. Right now we do play, I guess, Yoshi's Crafted World and a lot of Cuphead because they're still trying to beat the boss. Keep watching because we still have to go whitewater rafting. To meet Fresh.
insulting.
Hey.
So insulting. Wow, that is right up in my face. Going rafting.
Yeah.
Going rafting. We're gonna go rafting.
Give me yogurt.
So we're gonna go rafting right now. I'm not gonna bring this camera because I really don't want it to get wet. So this is where we depart. But I'll try to bring the GoPro so instead we can bring that, right?
Put it on your head. Yes.
Put it on your head. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. And then we're off to E3 after this, which is crazy, crazy. But see you soon.
Oh, good afternoon, folks. Looks like you made it down the Royal Gorge. Congratulations. Let's see how it goes.
Best rafting trip possible to save Colorado. Believe me, high water. Let's do it again. I mean, you really can't beat it. So, you guys battled amazingly. There you go. Go rafting.
Yes.
Come see us.
You got his plug, man.
Woo!
Enjoy the
That was so much fun! Just got back. So much fun.
I know. I
Really highly suggest that you guys go rafting, whitewater rafting. It was amazing. So we're just about to go and eat because we are hungry and starving, and I think we deserve it too because that was really, really awesome. Just cannot wait to continue this trip, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little footage that I got. It was incredible, incredible. You guys have to go. You guys have to do it. We're going home.
Home mode.
Home mode.
Home mode.
Onto the plane, back to Vegas, and then E3.
Ooh, they want to get them last year? Oh, they actually faced them? Yeah, the first time I did that. They're so good.
We're all watching the anime.
Everybody.
Do you want to say bye?
What?
Say bye. and the vlog. Bye. We're going home. Bye. So our flight is delayed, and I thought I would just go on here and just say that the trip has been so amazing. It was really awesome to spend time with my sister and my amazing friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I really do appreciate you guys watching the content that I make. Of course, there are new Nintendo DIYs, nerd DIYs, everything crafty, everything Nintendo. So don't forget to subscribe because I do have a lot more content coming very soon. I have to say that whitewater rafting is so much fun. I was really nervous at the beginning, and then right when you're on that river, it's so insane. And at first I was just like, oh, I hope we don't tip over, but then towards the end I wanted even more excitement. I wanted bigger waves and I wanted crazier rapids. So if you guys have never been whitewater rafting, I really do recommend it. It might seem a little scary at first, but you really get over it so quickly, and then just the energy of the whole boat is really awesome, and it makes you want to go faster and paddle harder. And it was really cool to have kind of experienced Super Mario Party the most realist way. So yeah, Jay and I are still stuck in the airport. I cannot wait to go home and get situated and settled and edit this video and go get sleep and a lot of other things. But just looking back, I really did enjoy the trip wholeheartedly. So Colorado is now off of me and Jay's list. It is an amazing, beautiful place, but if there's a place you'd want to recommend, let me know in the comments below, or recommend even your hometown. Let us know. We love to meet you guys and explore and see all the local spots. And of course, I can't wait to see you in the next My Way to Play vlog. It'll be awesome. I think we're going to Canada. So let me know if you're from Canada.